Updating an old key holder. Hello guys, welcome back to Inspired to DIY. In today's video, I'm going to update this old key holder that I had for quite a while now. So to get us started, I'll go ahead and remove the little screws that were there, and I'll also get that ready to be painted. I will give it a nice coat of the primer, although it does look like paint already, but once it's dry I will be mixing some silver paint with some glitter so I can give it a really nice coat. Here I'm mixing my silver paint with my glitter so that can actually give it some shine. I allowed it a few hours to dry, and once that was ready, I took some rhinestone sheet that I got from Amazon. I'll go ahead and cut it to size and decorate the border of the key holder. If you are here for the first time, it is so great to have you here. Don't forget to hit on that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next projects. And for the hooks, I'm using those small knobs as well as some crystal push pin. I'll go ahead and glue the two together, and just like that I'll have the hooks for my key holder. To add the hooks to the key holder, I'll go ahead and use some crazy glue as well as some hot glue. That is definitely not all. I'll go ahead and use an old mirror that I had to create the background for my key holder. So I'll go ahead and remove everything and make sure it is glued down together before I add my key holder to the mirror. Using some rhinestone, I also decorated the border of that mirror. To make sure that the pieces will stay together for a longer period of time, I'm using crazy glue for stronger hold and some hot glue for much quicker hold. And voila, just like that, I was able to use an old kitchen we decorated to my liking, and I will be able to reuse it again. I like to say what we learned from this video is that we don't have to always throw away our old things. We can definitely repurpose them or even redecorate them for a fresher look. Oh well, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give that video a big thumbs up, and if you have not already, subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my next projects. Until next time, bye.